So let's take an example. SY is a symbol of the element A and Z. A is called atom mass number, and Z is called atomic number. So atomic number is that will tell you number of protons in the nucleus and mass number will tell you total number of protons and neutrons. And this is the symbol of an element. Okay, so let's see if we have based on mass number and atomic number, you can find number of protons, electrons and neutrons, right? So if we have, let's say for example, Z number, that will tell you numbers of protons, right? And electrons, numbers of electrons. If we have positive numbers in a neutral atoms, which equals to, in a neutral atom, number of protons equals to number of electrons. If you know Z number, you can find number of protons and electrons, right? Because positive and negative charges are equal in neutral atom. Okay. Now, how do we find number of neutrons? What we do? A gives number of protons and neutrons. So A minus Z. That's where when you do subtract A minus Z, you get number of neutrons, because A numbers gives number of protons plus neutrons minus number of the protons, you get number of the neutrons in that particular element. Alright? So let's practice on one of that. We have Si 1429. Okay, so that means Si is a atomic symbol, and when you look at the periodic table, it says silicon. Si is a silicon element. This is Z number and this is A number. Now we need to find out number of protons, and we know Z number is 14, so number of protons are 14. Now we need to find a number of electrons. Okay, in a neutral atom, protons and electrons are same. This is a neutral element, so that's again it's 14. Now we need to find out number of neutrons. What we do? A minus Z. Now A number is given 29 and Z number is 14. When you subtract, you get 15 neutrons in that silicon element. So you can calculate using A numbers and Z numbers, having numbers of protons, electrons and neutrons.